In this video, we'll show you how to reset your oil life indicator on your Honda CR-V. We're going to get our maintenance required light off, and it lights up right here. All right, turn your engine off. You can leave the key in, however. So after you turn your engine off, you're going to press and hold this button over here. And then you're going to turn the ignition switch to the on position, 2. You're going to hold it for 10 seconds until that light goes out. There it goes. I'm going to let go of that button. I'm going to turn my key off. And let's make sure it's off. And there we are. That's how you know it's off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.